Welcome back guys to a new episode of Break It Fix It. On this episode we're going to be showing you how to remove the battery of a Renault Clio key. So all you have to do is just put your fingers down the key and hold it from the other side, from the second part, and then just push it upwards. It will pop right out just like this. So for the lower part you're going to have this section with the key holding it, and on the other one you're gonna have this section holding the motherboard. This battery is a 12 by 20, so all you have to do is get one at the store and then just pop this one right out. Once you put it back in, all you have to do is to put back the key, get the both sides, and just like the same way we've popped this one out, we're gonna align all of the keys sliders on both sides just like this. See? And then just pop it back into its place. Up. There we go. And that's the way you can replace the battery from a Renault Clio 2005 battery. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing for more videos.